Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys display and brightness setting in our Redmi phone. So today video title is guys how to enable reading mode setting in our Redmi phone and how can we use it. Hence you want to enable your reading mode setting in your Redmi phone. So how can you enable and how can you use today I will show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your reading mode. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. As you can see guys, this type of setting, guys click on your display setting guys, tap here guys. As you can see your reading mode setting guys, tap here. When you want to enable reading mode, you can enable guys. You can see the reading mode notification guys. Reading mode makes the colors of your display warmer, allowing your eyes to relax. So when you want to enable, so when you can enable from here, after enable guys, you can see screen color will change. And when you can see the schedule option, when you want to schedule it, so when you can schedule according to yourself guys, you can see turn on and turn off. You can set time from here. So when you want to enable your reading mode, you can enable. After enable guys, you can see your brightness adjust setting as you can use according to yourself guys. So like that guys, you can enable your reading mode and you can use in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.